Welcome. If you're missing important messages on Instagram because you're not getting notified about direct requests, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable Instagram direct requests notifications on your phone step by step so you'll never miss a new message again. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Now, find and tap on Instagram in the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Instagram. Once you've tapped on Instagram, look for the option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Here's where you can fine-tune exactly what you want to be notified about. Find the section called Notification Categories. Tap on it to expand the list of categories. Now, look for the option labeled Instagram Direct Requests. This is the setting that controls notifications for new message requests from people who aren't in your contacts or followers list yet. If the toggle next to Instagram Direct Requests is off, simply tap it to turn it on. You should see the switch change color, confirming that notifications are now enabled. That's it. You've just made sure that you'll get notified every time someone sends you a new direct request on Instagram. This way, you can respond quickly and never miss out on connecting with new people. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.